Hi everyone, welcome to Virtuous Eunice's kitchen. Today I'm going to take you to Jamaica. I'm going to show you how I cook steamed fish. So let's get started. Guys, I have my ingredients before me. I have my parrot fish. It looks like snapper, but this is parrot fish. Okay, already clean, washed, my hands are clean. And the deboned ones are snapper. They call them fillet, right? So these are my snappers. I have 4 pieces of snapper and 3 parrot fish. Already cleaned, seasoning just for cooking now. On this side, I have my pumpkin, guys. I have my okra. I have 1 bell pepper, 1 onions. I have spring onions, the leaf onions. It was in my freezer, guys. Then on this side, this is the first time I come across coconut milk in the powder form. So these are my coconut milk. I'm not sure if I'm going to use 2, but I have my fish flavor for the sauce. Okay, guys? So whatever seasoning again I will use, you will see it right at the pot. Okay? So guys, I'm about to prep all these things, then we continue. Okay guys, so I'm going to keep my fish on this side. So my stove is on now, and I'm just putting a little bit of, let me say, like, it's not up to a cup of olive oil. So I'm using olive oil, but just a little bit. Okay guys, just a little bit. Okay, so my stove is on. I want the pot to get heated before I start cooking. So see all the prepping things. So I have my salt, my cayenne pepper, my onions, my spring onions, my pumpkin, my okra, and my bell pepper, and the seasoning. On this side, I have some other seasonings. I might use them or I might not, but definitely I'm going to use thyme in this. Thyme is very important in this menu. Okay guys, so I went to a Jamaica. I have a Jamaican friend, and I went to their house last week, and they cook steamed fish, and I enjoyed it so much. So I decided to go to Jamaica. My sister married to Jamaica. Okay, so I want to make this dish, and I'm going to send some to their house for the husband, and I know the husband is going to enjoy it, and they're going to grade me. If you are Jamaican, come on. I used to watch a Jamaican cook called, is it Big Daddy? And oh, I love that guy so much. I think he's in Canada. So before cooking this dish, I had to go back to his video and watch it, and I give him applause. He doesn't know me, but I love other cooks. Okay? So if you want to know whether your oil is hot, just take a piece of onions and put in the pot. It makes a little bit, but we can start cooking. Okay guys, so it's hot, so I'm going to put, the first thing I'm going to put is my onions. It's good to put your onions first so you can get the good aroma. Guys, you want to smell the aroma from the onions. Hey guys, ooh, I can't wait. Guess what? I'm just from church. Guys, so this service was wonderful. We will not be limited in whatever we are doing. Okay, my fans, You guys will not be limited by no power on this earth planet. Okay. The aroma is so good. So now I'm putting in my pumpkin. I'm putting in my bell pepper. And I'm putting my okra. So I mingle every damn thing. Okay. I'm going to put a little pinch of salt because my fish is already seasoned and I have to be careful. Okay. Come and see the beauty of it, guys. Ooh. Colors. God made colors. That's why everyone will be so colorful and we will enjoy living there. Okay, now I'm putting my Kenya pepper. And my spring onions. Okay, guys. So. Okay. Okay, I'm going to allow everything to steam a little bit, okay? Guys, so I just want the vegetable to steam a little bit before I continue. Okay, guys? Okay, guys, so it's doing good. It smells so good. Oh my goodness. Okay, guys, so this is where I seasoned the fish earlier on. So I put some water, and I'm putting my water now. Then I'm putting my fish flavor. Okay, guys, I'm doing good. Jamaicans, am I doing good? Big Daddy. Okay, my fish seasoning. Then my coconut milk, guys. No, I think I should not put the coconut milk because I don't want the flavor all to go away. So I'm putting some thyme. Okay. I'm putting some thyme. I'm putting some parsley. Okay, guys. Just a little bit. You know my eyes are big. I measure with my eyes. And I'm putting some white pepper, okay, and some garlic, okay, guys. Then I turn up the stove so that it will boil. Guys, it smells so good. Hey, I'm in Jamaica. So let's allow it to boil. Okay, guys. Okay, guys. So now it's boiling, if you can see. So now I'm going to, because they told me as soon as you put the milk, then the fish goes in. So that's my scissors. So right now I'm putting my milk. Okay. Voila. Ooh. Guys, come and see. Jamaican lady. I'm a Jamaican today. What's your Eunice? Okay, guys. Now I'm going to put in my fish. Where are my tongues? I didn't see any of my tongues here. Okay, guys, so right now I'm going to put in my fish. Okay. this is the big one, so in the middle. Okay. Okay guys, look at the pots. Ah guys, it smells so good. Okay, so I'm just going to cover it and load the fire, let it steam. This is the steamed fish, guys. I got it. I'm so excited. Guys, in my videos, I want to cook all nationality food. Okay? All the nationality that God created on this earth planet. That's my goal. So if you want me to cook your nationality food, no matter where you are in China, are you a Chinese? Are you a Korean? Are you a Mexican? Are you a Ghanaian? Anywhere you are, just send me a message. We will cook together, guys. That's my goal. Okay, guys. So if you can see in the pot, it's boiling, but you have to be gentle. Okay. So I'm just going to gently flip it over. Okay. Okay, I'm so happy I was able to flip everything over. Okay, so I'm going to just cover it to continue the steaming process. Okay, I'm just going to taste it and see. It's good. Okay guys, so let's come and see. Come right into the pots. You see guys, so we've come to the end of the cooking. So it's time now to dish it. Then I'm going to invite you. I met one of my fans in North Carolina last week from California. It was awesome. When she saw me, she said, I hope what I'm thinking is what I'm seeing. And I said, I don't know you. I hug her because that's how I am. And she was like, YouTube, watch us do this. We shot him. Oh, you want to see? It was amazing. So I just imagine the day I will see like 1,000 or more of my fans who have subscribed, who have shared, who have wished me so well in what I'm doing, because this is just a gift. Okay? So last week was so awesome in North Carolina. Hey, so come sweethearts and let's eat together. So the food is ready. It's time to dish. Okay. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share. As you do, may God bless you. You will never lack good thing as you subscribe to this channel, as you share, as you wish me good. Good will never lack in your door. Bye.